Have you ever wondered how a tree grows so large when its only meal seems to be dirt and water? Plants do not eat food like we do. Instead, they build their own fuel from thin air and sunshine. This process is called photosynthesis. Think of a leaf as a tiny solar-powered factory. To understand how it works, we look inside the leaf at the microscopic chambers called chloroplasts. These are the machines where the magic happens. Inside a chloroplast, you find stacks of green discs called thylakoids. These discs are coated in a pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll acts like a solar panel. It catches light energy from the sun and holds onto it. The first part of the process happens right on those thylakoid discs. This is the light-dependent reaction. When sunlight hits the leaf, it provides the energy to split water molecules. Water is made of hydrogen and oxygen. When the light energy hits the water, it breaks it apart into oxygen gas and charged particles called electrons and protons. The plant releases the oxygen as a byproduct, which is lucky for us because we need it to breathe. The electrons and protons are kept to power the next stage. As these electrons move through the membrane, they help create two types of chemical batteries. One is called ATP and the other is called NADPH. You can think of these as little energy packets that store the power of the sun for later use. Now that the plant has these energy packets, it moves to the second part of the process called the Calvin cycle. This happens in the fluid surrounding the discs called the stroma. The plant takes carbon dioxide from the air and uses the energy packets we just made to stitch it together into sugar. An enzyme called rubisco acts like a construction worker. It grabs carbon dioxide and attaches it to a molecule called RUBP. Through a series of steps that use the energy from ATP and NADPH, this carbon is transformed into a simple sugar called G3P. Eventually, these small pieces combine to form glucose, which is the actual food the plant uses to grow. You might think plants eat the sunlight directly, but that is a common misconception. Sunlight is just the power source. The plant does not consume light. It converts the energy of light into chemical bonds that hold sugar together. This is why plants are the foundation of almost every food chain on Earth. Without this constant conversion of light into sugar, we would have no food to eat and no oxygen to breathe. Photosynthesis is simply the way nature turns light into life. By mastering this process, plants provide the fuel for nearly every living thing on our planet. You now know that every time you see a leaf, you are looking at a solar factory working to keep the world alive. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.app.